Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunt County in north central Texas until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Farmersville, or 12 miles west of Greenville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Commerce, Roy City, Wolf City, Cattle Mills, Celeste, Campbell, Josephine, and Naylandville. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 84 and 109. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your